Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. How are you? I hope you people are doing well. So this is a day 6 of the spoken English challenge. So here I came on the paddy field. As you can see behind me lots of paddy fields, and paddy fields are already cleared out. So in this video I'm going to tell about the view, and I will describe all these kinds of view that behind me and also in front of me. So let's speak in English. Walking on the trail. So here I am walking on the trail and I am making steps, little much about small steps. Yes. And first of all, I'm grateful to people. I'm grateful to universe that gave me lots of energy, and what that helps me to maintain a consistency in my videos and also in my spoken English practice. So that is all about. So here I am going to about there, may about there. Okay, and I came with my younger sisters, so they had gone there far away from me. So because I have told them that I will make video and I don't want any kind of interruption making my videos. So here I have camped on this field. So all these fields belong to us, and as you can see all these paddy field also belong to us. So so there are many things that I can describe it, but there are lots of words in my mind. There are lots of things that coming in my mind, but what kind of things that I can describe it? So please, if I will make any kind of minor mistakes while speaking English, so please let me know in the comment section, and please tell me that how I can improve my spoken English, because I know that many of you know the right path and also you have right source that you can improve your English. So yes, there are lots of weeds, as you can see, lots of weeds. Do you know what does weeds means? The grass which is not that much useful, okay, only for only present on the land. Yes. And so if I tell about the nature and the climate, so I'm making this video about 5 p.m. in the evening, and the sun is shining little much, and the air is blowing little much, and the air is coming in my face, so I'm feeling little much about of what good. Yes, I'm feeling good. And yes, as you can see, the two birds was flying over me, and I think that was crow. That may be a kind of bird actually, yeah. So let's leave it. I'm moving forward, and yes, I'm walking through the trail. It is not a main road. I will not say this is a road. This is this is a trail. Yes, this is a trail which is made by the people who walks on this road. Okay, so this is called trail, and this trail is not smooth. Lots of what soil, sand, and lots of stones are there. So it is little much about of interruption, and I am very sorry to the viewers. My phone is also sucking here and there, so please don't take mind of it. So yes, my younger sister is there, as you can see, and she was going on there something to bring it. And many of you were asking me that how I have improved my English and how I am little much about of fluency in my language. So I would say this is because of my practice. Yeah, practice is the key, guys. Oh my god, now feeling so much so much, yeah, so much good. Why? Because now air is blowing so much. Oh wow, as you can see, my this type kind of ordinary is also blowing, as you can see. Yeah, yeah. So this is all about today for guys, and in the same way you have to practice at your home. I'm not making more than 5 minutes of videos because it also takes loads of time and data to upload in the YouTube. So I'm not suggest you to make about of 10-20 minutes. If you can, then you can do it, but the people who are very busy in their work, so they can only make about of 5 minute. And yeah, 5 minute is more than enough. If you practice it regularly, 5 minute is more than enough. So you have to make a videos like me and just open your camera and say front of the in your phone in English everything whatever you can describe it behind you, your views or your also your spoken English, and also whatever your journey you have followed. So everything that you have experienced you in your life, everything you can what tell in the video. So that's for today guys. Bye bye, take care.